Okay, it's 27 April 2020. Unboxing a TRC-918 from October 2017. Okay, so let me start the live video feed on this one here. So starting. Hey, it's 27 April 10:18 in the morning. It was sunny, but anyway, can't have everything. So let me make sure I can see myself in this one here. Yeah. Okay, so I got the box and mostly ground. Okay, box and mostly ground. Okay. So put this in my pocket. Alright, and then get so here's the box. Like that. And I've got this one here that I repaired. Let's see here. Play. See it playing? Well, it's I put it on the wrong side. But I'm not here about this. This does work. So you put it on the radio. I'm not out here by that. I just wanted to show I got it here. It works. Got another tape, and I got a thing of scissors, and I brought a power plug because I'm not going to dick around with trying to stick batteries in this thing. So I've got this here. This has never been opened. Okay, so it's still sealed. So keeping the address information to me. Let's just go for it here. Well, it's going to be fun. Let's see here. So we have to cut open the box. There we go. And I want to just keep that. Let's see here. I said mostly ground on that one, so alright, so there we go. That, some more tape, and trying to keep the address from being shown, so that's why I'm holding it funny here. Okay, still trying to, well, here, let's do it this way. Yeah, so. Here going on. Alright, great. So then just put that around. There we go. Okay, so now. Alright, great. Oh, I love this. Nicely, a whole lot of bubble wrap here. Alright, so let's get this. Yes, I try to save bubble wrap when I can because this stuff's expensive, but you know, or it's not really expensive, it just, there we go. So I will reuse this stuff as I can. But, well, that's not good. Here's a little piece of plastic. I don't know what the hell that went to, but we'll just, and here's another piece of plastic, and here's, well, more plastic. What's going on here? Oh my God. Well, that's not worth a darn. The tweeter's all broke to hell. How the hell did that get happened? Okay, the tweeter is all smashed and broken here. The grill. Oh, that's just. Well, okay. Well, the tweeter is all right, but that's sad. I wish I'd opened this 3 years ago. I would have complained greatly to the person that. Anyway. the tuning knob is in the battery compartment or something like that. Well, really pretty. This is all broke off. There's a screw holding it in place right there. So anybody have one of these with the left-hand side tweeter grill? Need one of those now. See what's in the battery compartment. Hopefully, oh goody. It's going, okay, oh, this is the kind that has the power cord attached. And here's the, yay, at least we got this. Okay, great, so there's a tuning knob. So I can just put that there. There we go. Okay, so we got the, and it has world voltage, and the voltage selector is set for 120, and it's on AC. Got a DC power thing. It's TRC-918, made in Taiwan. Okay, and I'm sad over that. Well, okay, let's see. Power cord. Forgot about these Lasonic scissors. Just undo this. Do that. Get a put that in. Okay, so sleep is off. Stereo, line in, external mic, interior mic, metal, chrome, normal, phono, radio. So your radio volume is down. Is there a power button on here? Oh, there went something. Okay, so power is on and off, and then sleep. All right, so the sleep is for that. So. So it does work. So balance, treble, bass, volume.
Had a policy that that's great.
Or if you want to throw Reggie in there, have the opportunity to be that like high-end or elite level player.
I do. He has the size and the speed in digs to possibly be that. Now, we have to remember this. Byron Jones wasn't a really productive player for the Cowboys his first seasons. He was...
Respiratory diseases.
No.
Get a COVID-19.
Before you guy grew up,
Now you can watch Patterns of Evidence, The Exodus at home. Go to patternsofevidence.com. That's patternsofevidence.com. And it doesn't stop with the movie. Immediately after, there's a panel moderated by Gretchen Carlson featuring Dennis Prager, Eric Metaxas, and Anne Graham Lotz to provide further insight and commentary on the film. Watch Patterns of Evidence, The Exodus, and others in the series. Go to patternsofevidence.com. That's patternsofevidence.com. Hello, I'm Frank. You've probably heard Charlene and I talk about the great success that we've built out on the Slim Life Weight Loss Program. I lost 46 pounds in a day. Now you can do the Slim Life program right from the comfort of your own home. Hey, in this new season that we're in, why not make this time work for you? Think about this.
Okay, this is Frank Patterson, my Irish Holly. It's not really music I'm familiar with, so there's that. Play works, forward works. So here, let's do it with the other tape. Okay, let me get this tape out of here. Give me that. Just throw this in here so you can see a visual of this working. So play. Stop. Well. Rewind. Okay. Forward. Tired. Come on. Doesn't want to do that. It'll play. All right. So let's see if it plays music. Okay. That. Put this on. Let's see here. Put this on tape. Hit play.
Molly, my Irish Molly, my sweetheart pushery. I'm Sally on my trolley, my Irish Molly, when you are me.
Okay, so my Irish Molly, it does play. Will this forward? Oh, very slowly. It is working here. Wouldn't do other. Rewind is fast. Forward is slow. But it is moving that tape.
Pray at the closing of your day.
Oh, what can I say? I'm disgusted about this being broke. This one's in good condition, I guess. It's there. It's got, both antennas. Let's see here. There we go. That one. This one. So they're, pretty close to being similar. That's interesting. Okay, well, that's all I know. Works, but it's, you got a lot of patience, and if I can find all the parts, I've got the grill here. Oh man, just, I don't know what the heck. Something hit it on the edge here where it screws. Well, I don't know. So much fun with these things, people shipping them and all that. All right, well, okay, that's all I know. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. It's for sale, or I don't want it. Let's see here. What else is it? It's got, okay, not off. So it's got a headphone jack, left and right external speakers. It has a line out, line in, and phono, and dual microphone inputs here. Okay, and it's got your power on, off, and sleep. Sleep means that when you put a tape in here, I'll show you. If I had a tape, do I have a tape? I do. Hit play.
We'll sit and watch the moon rise over.
Put it on radio. If it's on radio like it is now and the tape is playing, when the tape comes to the end, it's supposed to kick off, auto stop, And when it does, the music will go away like that. That's what sleep does. So there you go. This has bass, treble, balance, volume, AM, FM switch, your phono tape, whatnot, phono, radio and tape, metal, chrome, and normal, line in, external mic, internal mic. That's interesting. Internal mic, external mic, or line in. There we go. Then you have mono, stereo, and stereo wide. And you have your sleep off and that like that. Okay, so I've explained it all. It's got a tape counter. There's a tape counter rolling. Let's see here. Okay, the tape counter doesn't work. Does this thing have power level meters on it? I can't remember. Let's see here. It's got a stereo, okay, it's got a stereo tuning light which is on, okay, and it's got a tuning light indicator, which, does that work on AM? Let's see here, here's AM. Okay, so yeah, it works on AM, doesn't work on, so that works like that. Okay, it does have power level meters. They're right here, and I know it's daytime. The louder you turn it, the bigger they get. So when it's down low, you just have two green ones, and then it goes, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red segments. Okay, so that's broke. The tape counter is broke, or not working. Maybe it probably needs a belt. Maybe it needs either tire. I can't remember about this model. This has been so long, but I thought I'd make this happy little video. Here it is. Let me show you the battery compartment. Maybe I didn't show you that, but let's see here. Okay. So there, it's got both clips, because that's a big deal sometimes. It's got, the battery compartment is clean, rust-free, okay? That's it. That's all I know about this model, so I'll put this away in a moment, gather up all those pieces, put them in a plastic bag, put them in here. I'm just so disgusted about that. All right. I don't know what's going on here. That's interesting. Okay, well, I've had too much fun. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to put this thing away and start another unboxing video here. Okay, so hope you enjoyed. Gotta go. It's too much fun. It's here. So just gonna grab this camera here. Let's see, where is that release? There it is. There's a release. Okay.